You can try.
I will try later, pero itsura pa lang, grabe. Ang sarap na.
Correct, yeah.
Yeah, I can hear kanina some of the stories ng friends natin when they were trying. Talagang nag-work yung balance ng vinaigrette and the feta cheese and then using the pasta negra sauce.
You know what important usually pag salad eh? You need to stir up the appetite. So it needs to be something konting sour para na yung palate mo. It prepares your palate for more savory and more heavier next dishes. So it's really a good starter para lang really to kick up the appetite. So it's a good salad, which is no different from our second dish.
Yeah.
Ayan. So if you see from your cards, ang second dish natin, we call this not takoyaki.
Not takoyaki?
Yes.
Bakit may not, chef?
It's takoyaki but it's not. So, syempre ang hero natin for this dish is walang iba kundi yung ating creamy crab pasta sauce, yung ating crab flavor sauce. So ako, I really love using this for pasta. And normally pag when I cook rice, yan yung nilalagay ko. So you don't need to put anything wala nang seasoning. You just put the crab sauce, yun na yun. Very umami, very manilang. And I think it's a perfect add-on to create, or per se, to recreate a takoyaki concept. So what you have in front of you, it's a pani puri basically. So ang pani puri is an Indian shell. Basically, it's a deep fried shell na nilalagyan nila ng maraming mga Indian elements. So you put beans, you put sauces inside. So I was thinking, nung dinedevelop namin to, sabi ko, why don't we do a takoyaki version, but let's make it creative. So we put all the takoyaki components inside. So once you bite into your not takoyaki, you'll get a taste of mashed potato that we blended with our crab sauce.
Wow.
So meron siyang claraway crab sauce. So doon pa lang you can really taste the seafood umami flavor bursting inside your mouth. And then we added some seared salmon. So may mga salmon flakes sa loob. So yun yung parang pinaka-meat natin. So we want to highlight the seafood elements dito sa ating takoyaki. And then syempre nilagay tayo ng salmon roe caviar on top. And then since we're doing takoyaki, hindi mawawala yung takoyaki sauce. So meron tayong the signature takoyaki sauce. So we made it from scratch. And then syempre yung ginamit natin, we added some dip it good na clara olay na cheddar cheese. So yun yung ginamit natin pang drizzle. So, and then meron din tayong burrito flakes on top para talagang mukha siyang takoyaki, but it's not. So to best enjoy this dish, we hope that you drizzle yung lemon, you squeeze the lemon on top, and then since takoyaki is a finger food, so we recommend na one bite siya. So you enjoy this second dish, our second course, na one bite. So squeeze the lemon, and then grab a not takoyaki, and then one bite siya. So yun yung magiging challenge natin. So it's a two-bite goodness to prepare us for our next dish. So, yeah. So hope you guys enjoy our version of a takoyaki but not.